Hello everyone. Welcome to the course Python Programming for Every Beginners. In this lecture, we will discuss about conditional or decision control statements part 1, simple if then else, if-elif. These three statements we will discuss in this lecture. First, coming to the outline. First, we will see the introduction about conditional control or decision control. Then first we'll discuss about if statement, then if else statement, then if-elif statement. Let us see what are conditional control statements. Conditional control is the prediction of conditions occurring during the execution of a program and specified actions taken according to the conditions. So conditional control which predicts the condition occurred during execution of a program and what is the action taken according to the condition. That is use of conditional or decision control statements. Here we need to determine which action to take and which statements to execute if the outcome is true or false otherwise. So here our main objective is to determine which action is taken place. That means which statement is executed if the outcome is true. Condition is true. What is the statement? Executed. Then condition is false. What is the statement? Executed. So these two actions will be performed. Let us come to the first if statement, simple if statement. This if statement also called simple if statement. The syntax is if condition colon, next line statement 1. Here indentation we need to follow 4 tab spaces. After if statement, the second statement, so starting with I, 4 tab spaces, indentation, the next statement will begins. So by default in Python, ideally prompt or any Python software, so whenever you can enter, automatically the cursor will be placed at the suitable indentation position. So the syntax is if condition colon. So after if, the colon is mandatory in all types of conditional statements, what we are going to discuss here. So if condition colon, next line statement 1 followed by statement 2 and so on. Here the colon after if statement is mandatory. So in this syntax, what is if? If is a keyword. Then what is condition? Condition is a relational expression. It returns either true or false. Then what is statement 1? Statement 1, if the condition is true, then the statement 1 is executed. Here else part is not there. If condition is false means nothing will be executed. Only if condition is true, statement 1 is executed. This is simple if statement. So let us see one simple example program in Python. If you want to find biggest of 2 numbers. So here it displays only biggest number. Now let us read the first number, a equal to int of input of, enter the first number. Then b equal to int of input of, enter the second number. Both are of integer type. Now the condition here, if condition. So it is a relational expression. Here what is the condition? A greater than b. So colon. Then next statement 1, we are printing. The biggest number is a. Whenever this condition is true, only it displays the biggest number is a. If condition is false, nothing will be displayed. For example, here the output is shown here. First number is entered as 10, second number as 5. Now you can see 10 greater than 5. The condition is true. So therefore, the biggest number is a. What is a here? 10. This is the output of this program. So let us come to the Python. Ideally, shell prompt, run this program. So this is the first program what we explained. Here you can see so this is the first program. Let us run this one. So you write a program to find biggest of 2 numbers. Here a equal to int of input of, enter the first number. B equal to int of input of, enter the second number. If the condition is true, it displays the biggest number is the first number. If condition fails, nothing is displayed here. Let us run this program and check the output. Here you can see. So this is the first program. Enter the first number. Suppose I am entering 10. Second one, I am entering 5. So the condition 10 greater than 5. So condition is true. Therefore, it displays the biggest number is 10. Now, if I will give false values, let us say if A greater than B is not true. So let us check other input. So now here I will give A as 20. Now B as 30. Now let us check what is the answer you will get here. So A greater than B, 20 greater than 30. The condition is false actually. Here false part is not there. Only if it is true, it displays the biggest number. Now here output is nothing. Nothing is displayed. Let us see here. No output here. If the condition is false. So this is the simple if program. So then another program, the second program is also there here. So let us keep the first program in comments. Now see the second program here. So here the second program, what it contains, write a program to print the course name and corresponding message. Suppose here, whatever the course name you can enter, then it displays you are belong to that particular course. So here, course equal to input of enter the course name. Here, course name is the string name. That's why directly we have taken input. The condition is if course equal to Python, then it prints you joined in the course Python. Suppose other than Python, any course you can enter, it won't execute this condition. Only false part. No false part. That means nothing is displayed here. True part means if your input is true, then the print message will be displayed. Now let us check this one. Okay, now enter the course name. For example, here I will enter Python. Python is the course. So now it checks the string. If course equal to Python, so you have given the string matching with the Python. So then you joined in this course is displayed. Suppose if you can give other string, now let us check. So now I will give Java is the input. Now you can see here nothing will be displayed. But because Java is not equal to Python, the course is Java now, Java not equal to Python. Condition fails. Here else part is not there. Only true part is displayed. This is simple if statement. Now let us come to the next one. So this is a program to what we explained just now. Enter the course name, then print you joined in the course name, so on so. So then coming to second if statement, which is called as if-else statement. Here else part is also there. In the previous if statement, only true part is there. If condition is false, then what will be the output? So in the false statement, whatever the data, so that will be displayed here. Now that is including if-else statement. So the syntax for if-else statement is, so the first part is same as a simple if statement, if condition statement 1 up to this same. Now the else part is added. Next one, else colon statement 2. So if the condition is true, statement 1 is executed. If the condition is false, then it comes to the else part, statement 2 is executed. Here also after if else colon is mandatory. Here if and else are keywords in this syntax. Condition 1, here condition is relational expression. It returns either true or false, same as a simple if statement. So statement 1, when statement 1 is executed, if the condition returns true, the condition returns true, then statement 1 is executed. Then when statement 2 is executed, if the condition returns false, so then statement 2 is executed. Here condition is only one time we have given in the first if statement. If condition true, statement 1 is executed. If condition false, statement 2 is executed. That is under else part. Now let us see the same program to find biggest of two numbers. So by including else part also. Here, let read the two numbers. A equal to int of input of enter the first number. Then B equal to int of input of enter the second number. Now the condition, same condition, if A greater than B. If first condition true, then it displays the biggest number is A, whatever the A value. Else, if the condition is false, it comes to the else part, then it prints the biggest number is the next one. The second one, B, is the biggest number. For example, here the first value is 20, second value is 30. So 20 greater than 30. So here the condition is false actually. So it comes to the else part, it prints the biggest number is B. What is B here? 30. So like that, the output is displayed here. This is simple, if then else statement. Same as simple if, here else part is additionally added, remain all are same. Now let us demonstrate this program also. So if else. So the first program, finding biggest of two numbers. So let us run this program. So remaining all you can keep in comments. Now you can see this is the first program. Write a program to find biggest of two numbers. First, we are reading A and B. A equal to int of input of enter the first number. B equal to int of input of enter the second number. Why we have taken integer as the typecasting? These are all integer numbers. Why? Because we are checking the condition biggest. So that is mathematical operation. Now the condition if A greater than B colon print the biggest number is A. Else print the biggest number is B. Now let us run this one. Check the output. Okay, now first number I am entering 10. Second number I am entering 2. Now let us see which condition is executed now. So A is 10. Now B is 20. So 10 greater than 20. This condition is false actually. Then else statement is executed. What else statement contains? The biggest number is equal to B. So what is the B value here? 20. So the biggest number is 20. So again you can check the first condition. So now I will enter A as 20, B as 10. Now you can see 20 greater than 10. The condition is true now. Now which statement is executed? The if statement. First statement, print the biggest number is equal to A. That means answer is 20. The biggest number is 20. Like that, you can demonstrate if then else statement. Now let us see the another program. The second program, so what it contains. Write a program to find the given number is even number or not, even or odd number. If you want to find a given number is even or odd number. So this is a simple program. Here n equal to, first we are reading the number, int of input of enter any number. Then the condition is if n mod 2 equal to 0. So if any number divided by 2, so the remainder is equal to 0. So then it displays the given number is even number. Otherwise, the given number is odd number. So this is the simple one condition, n mod 2 equal to 0. If the condition is true, the first statement is executed. The given number is even. If condition is false, it comes to the else part. The second statement, print the given number is odd number. Now let us run this one. Now you can say enter any number. Now I am entering 10. So now here you can see 10 by 2. So 10 by 2, what is the remainder here? 0. So it satisfies the condition n mod 2 equal to 0. The number is even number. Now you can give any other number for odd number case. So now I am giving, now you can see I am giving 5. So 5 is not even number. So that is 5 by 2, remainder is 1, not 0. Remainder is not 0. So the else part is executed. So what is the else part? The given number is odd number. So your output is the given number is odd number. Like that you can check a number is even or odd number. So then coming to there is another program. Let us write a program to find whether you are eligible for applying voter card or not. So this is the another program. So in this first, you can read the age equal to int of input of enter your age. The condition is, so for a voter card application, minimum age is 18 years. So if age greater than or equal to 18, then it prints the first statement message. Congrats, you are eligible for applying voter card. If your age is less than 18, so then it prints you are not eligible for applying voter card. This is message if you want to display using if else. Now let us run this one. So now here enter your age. Now I am entering first 18, the minimum condition. Congrats, you are eligible for applying voter card. Here you can see age greater than or equal to 18. Our value is 18. 18 equal to 18. So it satisfies the condition. Now I will enter other input. For example, here I will enter 17. Now you can see 17 not greater than or equal to 18, even not greater than 18. So therefore the condition is false. Then here the second part, else part is executed. You are not eligible for applying voter card. Here you can see you are not eligible for applying voter card. So here else part is executed. Like that you can check the result. So that is if then else statement. This is the second example what we explained, even or odd number. Then the third program, whether you are eligible for applying voter card or not. Then coming to the third conditional statement, if-elif statement. So what is if-elif statement? This statement used to check multiple conditions. So without else, in else we are having only false case only. If only true part, else only false case. So if you want to execute multiple conditions, so for that we'll use if-elif statement. The syntax is similar to if then else only, but in elif also again we can define conditions. Now the syntax is if condition 1 colon statement 1, then elif condition 2 colon then statement 2, then elif condition 3 colon statement 3, and so on, like that. Any conditions if you want you can use here using if-elif statement. So and so on, elif condition n colon statement n. Now we will see when condition 1 is executed, when condition 2 is executed, and so when condition n is executed. The explanation about this syntax, let us see here. If-elif for keywords, so ended with semicolon. End of if-elif ended with semicolon. It is mandatory. Now here if and elif are keywords. If condition 1 returns true, so the first one, if condition 1 returns true, then statement 1 is executed. Then statement 1 is executed and remaining conditions are not checking, not verified. So only if it is true, only statement 1 is executed, other conditions it won't check. So if condition 1 returns false, so then it comes to the elif condition 2. So again, if elif condition returns true, then statement 2 is executed. If elif condition is false, then it comes to the elif condition 3. So then if this condition is true, then statement 3 is executed. If it is false, again it goes to the next statement and so on. Like that, the flow of execution will be done like this. So here, if condition 1 returns true, then statement 1 is executed. Other statements didn't check. If condition 1 returns false, then statement 1 is not executed and to check to condition 2. If condition 2 returns true, then statement 2 is executed and remaining conditions didn't verify. If condition 2 returns false, then statement 2 is not executed and it checks to the condition 3 and so on. So if all conditions are false, so in this, if condition is false, elif 1 and elif n all are false, then nothing will be executed. Just blank output will be displayed. So this is syntax of if-elif statement. Now here see one example program. So write a program to find the given number is positive or negative or 0. If you want to check, 3 cases are there here, 3 conditions. When a number is positive, when a number is negative, when a number is 0. So first you can read any number, n equal to int of input of enter any number. If n greater than 0, then what is the result here? The given number is positive number. If your entered number is greater than 0, then the result is positive number. First condition is executed. So if the entered number is less than 0, that means the first condition fails, then it comes to the second condition, that is if condition. Now this condition is executed. If n less than 0, then it prints the given number is negative number. So even second condition also not executes. That means second condition returns false. Then it comes to third condition. What is third condition? If n equal to 0. Now your entered number is same as 0. Then it prints the given number is 0 number. So like that you can check the multiple conditions using if-elif statement. Now let us see the output of this one. If-elif. Here also two programs are considered. Let us see the first one, what we have taken here. See the first program, write a program to find the given number is positive or negative or 0 number. So first we are reading n equal to int of input of enter any number. Then the first condition n greater than 0. If n greater than 0 colon, print the given number is positive number. So if this condition is false, then it comes to the second case, elif condition 1. If this condition is true, then it returns the given number is negative number, n less than 0. If this condition returns false, then it comes to the last condition, elif n equal to 0. If this condition is true, then it returns the given number is 0 number. Now let us run and check the output. Okay, now first I am entering n as 10. So 10 greater than 0, yes, this condition is true. So therefore, it displays what is the first condition value? First condition value, the given number is positive number. Here it is displayed. Now you can run and give another number. So if you can give minus 10 here, now you can see minus 10 greater than 0, this condition won't satisfy. This condition false, it returns false. Then it comes to the elif n less than 0. So minus 10 less than 0, yes, this condition is true. Then it displays the given number is negative number. Now you can give the third possibility. So now the given number is 0. Now we can see, now it first condition returns fail. Then it goes to second condition, elif n less than 0, that is also fail. Then it comes to third condition. So that is n equal to 0, 0 equal to 0. Then what is the output? The given number is 0 number. Let us see. Yeah, the given number is 0 number. This is the output. Now let us see another example of if-elif statement. So here write a program. The second program, write a program to enter day number and print the corresponding message in words. So whenever you can enter numerical day number, it displays the day name in words. So now here day number equal to read the day number input of enter a day number. So 0 to 6, 7 days starting with 0 you can enter. So here you can see the first condition, if day number equal to 0, then print Sunday. Then elif day number equal to 1, it returns Monday. Elif day number equal to 2, it returns Tuesday. Elif day number equal to 3, it returns Wednesday. Elif day number equal to 4, it returns Thursday. Elif day number equal to 5, it returns Friday. Elif day number equal to 6, it returns Sunday. Here you can see multiple conditions are checked using elif statement. If statement, only one condition. If this condition fails, then it comes to the second condition, elif. So if this condition true, it displays Monday. If it false, it comes to the elif day number equal to 2. If this condition true, it returns true. Otherwise, if this condition false, it goes to the next one. Elif day number equal to 3. Then print Wednesday. So if this condition fails, then comes to the elif day number equal to 4. If it is true, it returns Thursday. If it is false, it comes to the elif day number equal to 5. then it prints Friday. Otherwise, elif day number equal to 6. Suppose 0 to 6, if you have entered day number as 7, nothing is executed. Here, the condition is beyond these 7 cases. Now, let us run this program, check the output. So, enter the day number. First, I am entering 0. So, here 0 means Sunday. First condition is satisfied. Now, again, you can run. Suppose if you will enter day number as 6. So, what is 6th day number? First condition fail, then coming to second condition also fail, third condition also fail, fourth also fail, and so on. Sixth also fail, but seventh one is true. Elif day number equal to 6, so 6 it is true, so it prints Saturday. Suppose you can give any other number. So if I will enter 7, 7 is not there in this condition. 0 to 6 are the conditions. Now here nothing is displayed here. This is the use of if-elif. So you can check multiple conditions using if-elif statement. So this is the program what we demonstrated lively. Okay, now next lecture we will come up with other types of conditional statements. We are having if, elif, else, nested if, and single line if statement. These remaining 3 conditional statements will be discussed in next lecture. Till then, all of you stay tuned for latest updates. A very happy learning.